Hey there everyone, this is Neha Bhatia. Welcome to Align and Attract. And today I'll be talking about how you can manifest your dream life partner in next few days. Is it possible? Yes, it is. So many people have been asking me this question of late, how can we attract that dream life partner? But please understand before we even start with the step-by-step method that it's not just about manifesting this person or this relationship. It's about holding on to that relationship for as long as you can effortlessly, and how you can grow that relationship, how you can grow in that relationship, how you can help each other grow. That's the ultimate focus here, okay? So let's begin. Number one, please understand, it's not about the person's qualities that can change after a little while. It's not about what are your qualities or that other person's quality that you want, right? It's about values. You know, when we were young, when we were like, I'm still young, but when we were, a teenagers, we wanted to see, okay, this kind of a quality I want, that kind of a quality I want. I myself wouldn't have that. But today, while we are growing up, when especially we are manifesting at a time in our life when we don't just want a partner, but we want a companion, we want somebody to settle down with, to grow, to live a relationship, to live this life with. You want somebody who you align, who you connect with, meaning that you need to know what are your values. What are your values, deep down values? And values are not on the surface level, it is deeper inside of you. So let me add, what are your soul values? What does your soul truly want? Not just in that person, in your life. That person will come and help you unfold it even more. But what is your soul value? Let's understand this. Let's suppose your value is that you want to have a house, right? You want to have a big house. And this person, maybe he doesn't want to have a house, he wants to travel the world, right? So his value is freedom deep down. Your value is settling, commitment. And a lot of girls, they come to me and they say that, you know what, Neha, we are in love with this man and he also loves me, but he doesn't want to get me married or he doesn't want to marry me. Why does that happen? It is because the other person is not ready for the commitment, or he doesn't love you completely. No, it's just that there is a little bit of a difference in the values, and if you can hold on to that and have that little bit of patience and keep moving forward with this relationship, that person will align with your values one day. Maybe he's not ready for the values. It's not that he's not ready for you. So please note that what are your soul values? Think about it, ponder upon it for the next few days. What are your values? And it's not coming from now, it is deep, somewhere deeper inside of you. Every man, every woman has these values. Maybe it has been coming from the family, maybe it has been coming from how your upbringing was, right? So, number one, soul values. Number two, very, very important, this is my favorite, of course, you need to start visualizing this person. Now, of course, you will not be able to give a face, maybe, or maybe you can. You have to just visualize in such a way that you're spending time with this person. You're spending quality time with this person. Now, how do you want your life to be? You want to see yourself in a corporate environment, going to office together. Maybe you want to have a vision, a common vision, right? Or you want to be and be in a family, have a family, or you want to travel the world, or you want all of that. So start to visualize that. But a big mistake that people do is that they just sit down and start to visualize. That's not the right way to visualize, okay? So there are a couple of ways that I'll be sharing with you in this second step, okay, which I followed in my life, and I manifested my partner in 3 months. Now you'll be like, 3 months? Yes. So I was easy on it. I'll tell you why. Because a lot of people try to manifest the partner with a feeling of lack, not with a feeling of fulfillment. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to fulfill my needs. I need someone to hear me out. I understand that can happen. But if you're really fulfilled in your own self, this person who is fulfilled in himself, you will come together and you will complement each other. And that will be the true soulful relationship. Instead, something that I've learned from my mentor, that a depressed person will sit with a depressed person and both of them will become depressed. So that's what we don't want. You need to be in such a way that there are some values or some kind of feelings that you have, and then there are some that the other person has, and then you're coming and complementing each other. So it cannot be same. Can you be with a person who is exactly like you? You're going to be bored in 5 hours. you know so you need to understand that if you're visualizing this person, start to see and feel what exactly you want to feel when you're going to be with him. You want to feel respected, start to feel respected and visualize that when you're with him in your imagination. Start to write. Another thing that I have done, and which of course took me a little bit of time because I was easy on it, and many of my clients have followed that, and they have literally attracted their partner, got married also just within a few days. So what I do and what I have suggested them, I'll be sharing with you. How you visualize it is, maybe you go on a drive, okay, or you maybe go out traveling, listen to 3 4 same songs for next 3 4 months, or maybe next 3 4 weeks, and with the music start to visualize this person. Start to see that you are meeting this person, and start to see what you're doing with him, how you are coming together, how your relationship is, how you're talking, how he's listening to you. Just start to visualize all of that without having a picture of this person. Also, what I would like to suggest to you is, start to feel this, increase this feeling, and start to feel that this person is almost there, maybe at the airport, maybe at just next door, or maybe in the next lane, and he's almost there. When you start to feel that, for example, when we have guests coming and they tell us, oh, you know what, we are at the airport, and you just start to prepare everything, right? Everything, and you, of course, there is a little bit of restlessness also, but here I am asking you to just be prepared, ready for this person. See, you can never be completely prepared. This life is a process that you grow. You grow with each and everything, your qualities, your values. You as a person will always continue to grow. But what I'm saying here is, be prepared for this person, that when he comes and then there is a click and you'll be like, this is what I exactly wanted. You will have absolutely no insecurity, no doubt. You will be fulfilled in your own self. Now, if you're looking for somebody who will just come and complete you, let me tell you, you're already complete. You were not born incomplete. And I'm not talking about physical level and completeness. It's the deep soul level. You already are unique. You already are complete. Just that a lot of things have been kind of overpowered you, which has started to make you feel lonely, or maybe you've been starting to look for somebody who can come and complete you. Nobody can come. Nobody will ever complete you. When we die, this person is not going to come with us. It's only the good emotions, the good karmas that we take back, right? So if you start to attract this person with a thought process that I am fulfilled and I want to share this same fulfillment and grow this fulfillment, that's a time when you will attract just the right person. It may take a little bit of time. It may take, because it's a process, but you will start to manifest different kinds of people, and then don't just get on to one person. Wait, patience. Patience will be the biggest key here. Observe, listen to your higher self, meditate upon it, and see if it is right or not. The third thing, very, very important, apart from visualizing and then listening music and just feeling that this person is almost about to come to you. Third thing would be to let go of your past. If you're still holding on to your past, if you're still not forgiven your maybe ex-husband or ex-boyfriend, or if there are patterns of your previous relationship and relationships, that same pattern will be shown or will be reflected into this relationship as well, and then this will be affected, and I'm sure you don't want that, right? And then you'll be like, oh my god, whichever relationship I go into, I face the same problems. You don't want that, especially if you're in your 30s and your 40s. You want to have a healthy relationship. You want to be with this person. You want to hold on to this person, right? And it's not about the person. It's about that one soul that you're connected with and you share that union with, right? So please make sure that if you want to, you can also join our 21 days workshop, wherein we help you completely remove the impressions of the past. You cannot remove the past. You can never remove the past. You can only remove the impressions. Once that impression starts to go away, you have this space that is created for a new person, right? So this is an example that I always give. If you don't have a space in your, let's say, in a 2 BHK house and you want to give it out for rent, how will a new tenant come in? You have to create that space. So how will you create that space? By letting go of the past, right? And when you do that, now this person, when he comes in, he will feel more welcomed, he will feel more comfortable, he will feel spacious, he will not feel that, you know, that you're always after him, or you're always asking for attention, or you're always pressuring on him or her. So please make sure that you're over with your past. I remember I had this client and she got married many years ago and then she got divorced as well. So she joined my workshop because she could not get over with the past. Within 3 days, she messaged me saying that I'm just being very nostalgic. I've just messaged my ex, but I also feel a closure. So a lot of couples, they've never had a closure as well. So you need to have a closure, then only you can open a new account here, right? So these are the things that I would like you to start to follow and understand that this person is already there in the universe, right? It's there, somewhere there in the universe. It's just the frequency have to match. And the frequency will only match once you're fulfilled within your own self, once you have let go of the past, and also third thing, when we are very, very clear of what you really want. Now, can you be totally clear each and everything? Maybe you can, but not everybody can be ready. Yeah, I want a guy who should look like this, who should have this kind of a car, who should be in this country, who should have this height. No, which means that you're looking only on the external level. Go deeper. So that's why the first point is the most important. Work on your soul values. Once you know that, automatically everything will fall into place. And even if there are disturbances in this relationship in the future, you would know, okay, what values are not matching and what we need to do to once again align those values. So work on these four things, these few things, and then just see how you start to manifest this person, and you will not even get to know that this person will be just around, and after a few days, months, years, you will look back and you'll be like, oh my god, I didn't know that I would be with you or I would have been with you. So follow this and do share with us if you find your soul partner, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please make sure that you hit the bell button so that we are regularly connected. I keep taking people's questions on my channel and also on the other platforms. Stay connected. nlpwithneha.com is the website that you need to look at. Till then, thank you so much. Keep progressing and don't forget, you are absolutely awesome. Bye.